Beautiful. City of squid, or a school of squid. Yeah.
Looks like bamboo tree.
Orthoceras. Please, Orthoceras has a 360 millimeters, means Devonian geological time. And please, when you say Devonian, means what? Still no dinosaur exists. This is older, please, than dinosaur. And when you say Orthoceras, it was the first creation, please. And this one disappeared in Jurassic also. You know Jurassic, dinosaur time, please. So this one disappeared in that time, becomes Belemnite. And Belemnite becomes bigger and larger than Orthoceras. The biggest Orthoceras in that time has 4 feet. But please, Belemnite in Jurassic means the second evolution, 12 feet.
Wow.
The biggest actual squid in the earth, giant squid, if you have an idea about that, please, 15 meters, 45 feet squid. So look at the evolution, please. Start smaller, after that becomes bigger and bigger. So that means the cephalopod has no spine, starts smaller and becomes bigger. We'll see some arthropod, a little bit spine, starts bigger and becomes smaller. Yes, that's very important to know. Here we have carbon oxidation, means less oxygen and more carbon. And we are talking about what? Quick burial, of course. We can see many of them here with different angles and different positions. So if you want to make a table like here, you can polish it and it will look like, you know, with water, please, pops. But if you want to make a sculpture, you need this slab thicker a little bit. That's what we do there. And we try to get them in relief. We make a beautiful piece of art, please. We'll see that. Okay, that was about black from Devonian. Brown also, or gray. Okay, look at the difference, please. Each one unique here, each one different. And we have a very large Orthoceras with what? With a tentacle, please. This is a part of tentacles. But as you know, please, tentacles are soft, are organic, can't be fossilized. No calcium, please. So we are talking about what? Quick burial, hard shell, and calcium carbonate. Without those 3 important things, no way to be fossilized. And of course, ocean. That's very normal to know. It was a big ocean here. Tethys Ocean, please. And when you say Tethys Ocean means what? Means before separation of the continent. So please, the world was connected. It was one piece. Pangea. Pangea, it is our first continent, exactly. My favorite stone, it is macro. I love macro fossil. For sure. Look at this one here, please. I love macro. Yes, please. Look how beautiful. So please come closer after pictures. Come closer to this side here. This is a really particular slab. Why? Look at the size, please, here. We have a very large one. Why? Deeper, please. So more deep, more big fossil. And more deep, more old. Because it is laminate stone, means layer. So with those fossil, I know the age of layer that are really important to know. So please, if someone asks you about the oldest, smallest cephalopod in the earth, it's here, please. 420 million years. How and why? Look at those chambers, please. When you have them curved, means the first evolution, please. The oldest. When you have them straight, it is the second or the third evolution. So please, here you are talking about the first one. Goniatid, not ammonite. His name is Goniatid with a G, please. And of course has a tentacle, as we say before, tentacles are soft, are organic, can't be fossilized. Another important thing, please. 1 year, 1 chamber more. 1 year, 1 chamber more. It starts, of course, from here, like a tree. That's how it comes bigger, please. So I think this one has like 40 years or something like that. Of course, it comes from Devon, from Cerulean 420, but anyway, one of the biggest. So for example, yes, please.
How much is one of these slabs if you bought it?
If you want it, for free, sir.
No, I
Don't need to pay anything, but take it with you.
no, I just, if you want them to make one for your home.
Okay, so please, sir, of course, we'll answer you about that inside. Okay. We have some example. We will talk about that, please, and I will answer you. It's not, really, expensive. Of course, for this one, I'm thinking just for today, please, to make what? I will make, please, a coffee table like this size, rectangular, Why? Because the concentration fossil are here. The rest, please, will make two bases, like form V, and we put it on. Because it's hard for us to find same color. That's why, please, each one unique, each one different. So we keep a little bit for some, for bases, and the rest we make a beautiful table, exactly. Or you can make like a kitchen countertop also. You do please what you want. So please, we have here very large one, nice distribution fossil, many orthoceras and ammonite from Devonian, of course. That's a really beautiful one. Look how beautiful this. This is nothing. So many times you cut, you don't find. That's still very normal for us because we don't know how many fossil you still have inside or which angle or which position. So that's still very normal. After that, please, we'll see the rest here. Yes, please. So, look at this one here. It's still not polished water. Yes? That's why we need water, of course, because if it's not polished, you need water to make it pops, please. That's really important. But anyway, I will try, please, to explain a little bit about this sculpture here. First things, this is one piece. It's not 2 or 3 or 4 pieces, make them together. So inside, it's heavy, of course, it's still inside stone, not, Black, as we say, has more squid, more orthoceras. Brown has gold, or red has gold, or gray green. But anyway, for black, you have more fossils. That's why we make some kind of sculpture like this one here. So please, how you make them out, how you chisel them, how you get them please out. You need a chisel and hammer. You need some days of diamonds, industrial diamonds. I'm sure that you know about diamonds, industrial diamonds. So please, you put your piece flat, you make some lines, you drop it with a chisel and hammer between each fossil. You make other lines more deep and deep, but please carefully and slowly. Why? If you make them deep, you will damage the second layers. That's very important to know. Be careful, please. So when you have white color, stop. It means you have a fossil, please. You localize your fossil by 360 degrees. After that, you walk around the fossil to make it, out. After that, please, we need abrasive taste, and we sculpt them. After that, sandpaper, water by hand. عطينا شي كاريت ديال الماء. So please, sandpaper by hand. Fossil by fossil, please. That's important. Number 1, number 2, number 3. So finer to finer. So we have different numbers. For example, I think this is 400. Yeah. Can you please touch? You feel the difference. This is more sharp than this one. So please, we have different.
Regular sandpaper.
Sandpaper by hand.